Hi, uh, this is Nidhi, and I am here to explain you how to view document in interactive create report or Apex. My name is Nidhi Chaturvedi, working as a auditor Apex, part of team Bharat Bhatia ji, Roston Technology. Okay, so starting. So I am starting, and you have to be prepared with your pen and diary. Right? So um, uh, see, when I click on the I button, I show the document, and just I explain some attributes in this page. This is the page I row ID, and this is the URL, and this is the table document I show as a with help of use CSS and HTML in this report, and this is the document which I want to view. Okay, so how to get receive this? First, we have to be get ID. After that, we have to be get the URL. URL. What is the URL? This is the URL. Okay, this is the module name. Right. This is the path. This is the column type, and this is the ID. Fine. So I go the backend. This is the my page. So um, I explain you. This is the ID item. This is the URL. This is the table, and this is the reason which I have to be view and show the document. Correct. So first, I have to be get URL. This says so we have to be used that services. I already created 1, 2, 3, and 4. All type handler method is that right. So I created new one two for you, and module name contact 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 id document document. I created the path contact id document document document, correct, and created. This is the path. Now I want to be put column name or id, so I created the template. Column means what is the column type? Blob, blob, blob. And what I have to be pass? blob, blob slash column id, right? So I created the template. This is the path. It is created. Now I have to be created handler. And so मुझे I get the document. So method is the that document type is the blob. So I uses the media resources. I have to be written a query. Just select mine type and document. Document is the blob column and table and id. So I created a handler, apply the changes, correct, and this is the path which I have to be using a page, correct. So go on the page. This is the URL field. I put the URL in this column. I created one. This is the item values which I insert here with the document. So I created that one. That also. This is the view. So I write the blob SQL. So this is a variable and value URL value in calling this variable and using the stt.p to embed the URL in these applications. Okay, and also put the some function server side yet it is throw on the when item has a value, so save it and again we can run the applications and organizations. So this is the view of document which I uploaded. So see contact document blob and you get the document. Fine. So for now it is enough to view the document. Please try, and if you need any questions then put here